What basic and functional home item could we make with a Glowforge laser cutter? Hi there, I'm Tim Ung, and today I'm going to show you how I design and make a simple side table with a laser cutter. For our materials and tools, we'll be using 1/4-inch cedar plywood, wood glue, a rubber hammer, paper masking tape, a natural oil finish, and a Glowforge laser cutter. To design this project, I use a software called Rhinoceros, and I start by drawing the general pieces. This includes the legs of the table, frame, and the top. The overall dimensions for this project will be 19 inches tall and 18 inches square. As I work through the design, I'll figure out what other components I need and add them later. When the pieces are drawn, I figure out specific connection details for this project, like slots and tabs that'll attach the legs to the frames. The idea here is that the legs and frame will include a cutout where a wood piece can slot in and be wood glued to secure both frames in place. With these components drawn out, I want to check how precisely the pieces will come together. To do this, I extrude the shapes to the specific thickness of my material and build a 3D model. I place each component where they're intended to go and test the slots and tabs. From here on, I continue to work between drawing the components in 2D and testing them in 3D. This next part is a good example where I draw a simple rectangle for the tabletop and place it in the 3D model. I extract the differences between the shapes to get all the joint locations, and the tabletop is complete. One area of the design that I felt needed additional support were the legs of the table. From one side, they look sturdy, but from the other, they look like they'll fall apart if someone kicks a leg by accident. This prompted me to add in additional leg supports at the bottom of the table to create a sturdier base and allow it to carry more weight. Now that the design is complete, I apply paper masking tape to the 1/4-inch cedar plywood to protect its surface from scorches and burns. Then, I place the cedar plywood into my Glowforge and begin the process of laser cutting every piece. When the pieces are cut, I remove the paper masking to reveal the beautiful wood finish and organize every piece for the project. I start the assembly process by aligning the slots of the legs and associated frames. I apply wood glue to the top, sides, and bottom of the tabs and use my rubber hammer to hit them through the frame and leg. Using a damp paper towel, I wipe off any excess wood glue and repeat this process again. With the two legs and frames attached, I assemble the base support pieces separately by gluing the finger joint of the center support to the slots in the side supports. I repeat this process with the top side panels and center support. I place one leg and frame assembly on my table and install the end joints of the support members into the slots of the legs. When the supports are in place, I align the end joints with the frame on the opposite side and glue them into place. Once the wood glue is dry, I turn the assembly with the top facing upwards, align the joints of the tabletops with the frames, and glue them into place. I apply a natural oil finish to the surfaces of the wood to bring out the natural beauty of the material and to protect it from dirt and debris. With that, the simple side table is complete. For now, I plan to use it as a base for my plants to raise it up to a window level so that it can get natural light throughout the day. And that's how I design and make this simple DIY side table with my Glowforge. If you'd like to support me and my channel, you can do so by liking this video, subscribing, and sharing it with a friend. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.